Okay, class 10, pay attention. This is exercise 13.1. I've already explained the theorem behind it. The theorem that we have is angle, 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 or rather two angles. If you can prove it equal, then it is similar. Then you put the triangles in order and then write the ratio. Mind you, you cannot write the ratio until unless you prove them similar. That's the rule. Then the other one is angle, side angle side, where we prove the ratio of two sides equal and the included angle equal. And the third one is side side side. That is very obvious. If side 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 is there, then the angles opposite to it will be equal. So that is same as two angles or three angles, whatever you say. Okay, let's go on to the sums. Now I'm starting with sum number 2. If two right angles, one of the acute angles of one triangle is equal, two right angles are already there, and one of the acute angles of one triangle is equal to the acute angle of the other, can you say that the two triangles are similar? Why? That's it. So there is one right angle here and one acute angle here, one acute angle over there. So two angles are equal. Obviously the third angle will be equal, therefore the triangles are similar. Yes, reason, angle, angle. Fine. Then we go to sum number 3. It is given that triangle that and triangle that, okay, are similar. Remember one thing. Whenever they say that the triangles are similar, we take it for granted. Like we have triangle ABC similar to triangle, okay, similar to triangle EDF. Then what happens is, in such cases, we take it for granted that angle A is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle D, and angle C is equal to angle F. Is that okay? The moment they say that these two triangles are similar, we take it for granted that A is equal to E, B is equal to E, A is equal to E, B is equal to D, EDF just say, yeah, B is equal to D and C is equal to F. So you draw the triangle, draw two triangles like this, almost like this, okay? I'm coming to that. And then you write the ratio, put the values over there and find the sides. That's okay. Number 4. Same thing happens with this. Look at this. Number 4. Number 4A. Number 4A. Two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC and DEF are similar. Okay. So I don't have to prove its similarity. I don't have to prove similarity again. And straight away I take it for granted, as I said, that angle A, follow the book please. Okay, because I cannot put the book and this paper together. Follow the sums from the book. I'm reading the sums from the book. 4A. So A is equal to D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to F. So AB, first two. So this triangle is already in order. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Remember that order that I talked about. Okay, same as number 3. And then you put the values. I have already drawn the two triangles over here. Put the values, okay, and use 2 ratios to find out the thing. What we do is we use first these two here. We use these two, find out over here. Then we use these two, find it out over there, and so on. That's number 4. Number 5. Calculate the other sides of a triangle whose shortest side is 6 and which is similar to a triangle whose sides are 4, 7 and 8. So this is it. Number 5. Okay. Whose shortest side is 6. Okay. I take the shortest side as 6 and which is similar to ABC is similar to DEF. If this shortest side is 6, then the other one's shortest side will be 4. And the others are 8 and 7. You can take any one of them. And this one I take it as Y and X. So the triangle is already similar given. So straight away I write the ratio. Okay. And wherever you have the values X and Y and all that, put the thing and work it out. No big deal. Very, very simple. Okay. Number 6. A. I've done number 6A. In the figure given below, that and that is parallel, AC is 3, BC is that, and so on. Calculate so and so. Okay, here, look at this. Okay, you'll have many figures coming like this, please. And later on, as I go on with the sums, I will not be proving it similar, but you have to prove it similar. Okay, so angle this is equal to angle this, alternate angle this is equal to angle this, alternate, and the dot is obviously equal. There's no need to write three angles, you write only two. Okay, and then therefore similar, but put on the means use the diagram, put the marks over there, so it becomes easy to track the angles. So here the triangle ABC tick arc dot, tick arc dot. So I'll go, okay, tick arc dot, EDC. Is it okay? Triangle ABC, tick arc dot. I take the first triangle in any order and follow the same order for the next triangle. Okay, tick arc dot, EDC are equal. Okay, oh sorry, similar. Write the ratio, put the values. I think they have given over there. One is some part is there which is complete 14. Okay, this is number 6. Yeah, BD is 14. BD is 14. So I take that as x, and the remaining will be 14 minus x. Okay, put the values and you will get it. 6b. 6b. Look at 6b. Same thing again. 6b is the same thing. Okay, here alternate, 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 so on, and then you write the ratios and prove it. Okay, do you get that? Same thing with 6b also. Okay, the first part is to prove it similar, and then use the same similarity to get the second part. Put the values in the diagram. Put the values in the diagram. It is easy to work. The first part is similarity, angle that equals angle that. Okay, of course I haven't written over here alternate. Okay, alternate must be written. Fine, right? The reason must be there. Therefore the triangles are similar. Put it in order. Put it in order. Write the ratio. Get the values. Okay, fine. Number 7. Number 7, in the given diagram, so and so angle P is equal to angle that, RTS. You can see that. Angle P is equal to angle this. And this is common. So the third one is this and this. This angle and this angle is equal. This is common. So the third one will be this and this. Therefore the triangles are similar. Okay, they said prove that they are similar. That's it. Only similarity. Okay, angle R is common. Angle R is common. Okay, I've written over there, and angle this is equal to angle this. That's all. You don't have to prove the third one, but obviously the remaining third one is always equal, therefore similar. Okay, then comes 7b. In the given figure given below, angle that is equal to angle that, they have given that. Prove that CA square is equal to that. Okay, here same thing. Yeah, angle this is equal to angle this. Got it? This big triangle, this angle, small triangle, this angle, sorry, this angle is equal. And this is common. Angle C is common. So the remaining third angle will be automatically equal. Okay, I've given the third angle dot over here. Can you see that dot over there? So that will help me to write the ratio, to write the order of the triangle. So see how I write the triangle. Okay, the first one is A, B, C. Arc, dot, cross. Arc, dot, cross. Right, the next one in the same order. Arc, dot, cross. D, A, C. Okay, A, what have I taken over here? A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, triangle A, B, C, similar to, okay, similar to, okay, arc dot cross, arc dot cross, D, A, C, D, A, C, here, D, A, C. Did you get that? Once you write the triangle in order, it becomes very easy to solve. Once you write the triangle in order, it is easy to solve. Is that okay? Got it? Right. Did you get that? That was number 7. Now we go to number 8. Number 8A. I've done number 8A, and B is similar to 7A. It's written over there. Number 8A. Number 8A. In the given figure, AP is equal to 2 PB. Therefore, AP by PB is 2 by 1. Keep it. And then also given over there, CP is equal to 2 PD. So CP by PD is also 2 by 1. And so this by this is equal to this by this, which is equal to 2 by 1, 2 by 1. And the angle APC, vertically opposite, is equal to DPD. Therefore, vertically opposite, therefore the triangles are similar, side, angle, side. Is it okay? Therefore, the triangles are similar, side, angle, side. Did you get that, everybody? Okay? Right. Prove that the triangles are similar. Okay? Prove that triangle that is similar to that, and AC is parallel to BD. Now, obviously, if the triangles are similar, okay, so this angle, this side equals this angle, this side equals this angle, alternate angles are equal. Okay? Therefore, the sides are parallel. Therefore, the sides are parallel. And if AC is that, calculate BD. Fine. Now, once you get the thing, you write the ratio and put the values, and you get it. 8B, 8B similar to 7A. Similar to 7A. Check it out, please. Similar to 7A. 8C. I've done 8C over there. 8C. Now 8C you have again in the figure given below, angle that and that. Prove that PQR and PRS. PQR and PRS. PQR, PRS. This angle equals this angle, and this is common. Right? This angle equals this angle, and this is common. So we have the third angle here cross, and you can say the third angle here cross. But anyway, there's no need to mention the third angle. Okay? Right? We don't need the third angle to be mentioned. Two angles equal, fine. So now how do we write? See, PQR. Okay? PQR dot arc big cross. Dot arc cross. So dot arc cross PRS. Can you see that? PQR PRS. Is it okay? Right, sorry, sorry, the thing was not there. Okay, here, as I said, okay, this angle is common, and this angle is equal to this angle given. So the third angle is here, cross, and the cross over here. So PQR dot arc cross here, cross. Okay, PQR. So dot arc cross PRS. Once you write the triangle in that order, you follow this trick. Once you write the triangle order, you know there's no need to look at the sides anymore. You just go first one, first two, second, and so on. Okay, and then you get put the values, whatever the values are given, take two of them. Okay, right, and this part, and you get the answer. That was number 8. Number 8. Okay, we go to number 9. Look at number 9. Okay, number 9. Right, number 9. Okay, again, in the adjoining figure, they have given two angles equal over there, 90 degree, and AB is equal to AC. Now, if AB is equal to AC, then the base angles are equal. So, this is 90, base angles equal, so the remaining dot over here is equal. Okay? Right? Okay? And therefore, very simple, prove it similar. BMP. What have I taken? BMP. This angle equals this angle, this and this 90, fine. Therefore, it is similar. Okay. Now, I am taking BMP. BMP. Arc 90 dot. Arc 90 dot. CNP. CNP. BNP similar to CNP. Write the ratios, you get it. No big deal. No big deal. Okay, number 10. Prove that. Number 10. Prove that. Here. Prove that the ratio of the perimeters of two similar triangles is the same as the ratio of their corresponding sides. So this is the thing. See here. Look at this. Okay. Right. from ratio and proportion theorem. Okay, uh, I'll come to this part later. Okay, let me leave number 10 for the time being. I'll come to that actually it involves a second exercise. Okay, leave it for the time being. Chalo, theek hai, leave it. Okay, I'll come to that. Then comes number 11. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a trapezium. You know trapezium, the moment it is trapezium, it will have two parallel sides. It will have two parallel sides, and once you have two parallel sides, alternate angles, therefore the two triangles are similar. Okay? Right? The diagonals AC and that bisect. Using the above results, find the value of x so and so, so and so, so and so. Okay? Fine. That's it. So here, very simple. When the moment it is trapezium, now this, yeah, this you must know. If it's a trapezium, that means two sides are parallel. So alternate angle. This is vertically opposite, similar. Write the ratio. Get it. No big deal. No big deal. Okay. Number 12A. Look at 12A. Refer to the diagram. I have not done the diagram. You refer the diagram over here. Okay. Right. 12A. In the given figure, that are parallel. Okay, you can see that, and they have given the values also. AB is given 15, EG is given 5, GC is given 10. Everything is supplied over there. Calculate EF and calculate EC. Now to calculate EF, what you do is you first take to calculate EF, you take triangle EGF and triangle DGC. Okay, right? Follow the diagram, please. I did not draw the diagram. Okay, because see, in this EGF and GDC there are three values which are given, so it will be easy for me to find the third value. Got it? So you prove those two triangles equal, sorry, not equal, what is that, similar or alternate, because EF and DC is parallel. So alternate angles equal, I have already mentioned it over there. Alternate angles equal, therefore the triangles are similar. Write the ratio, get the value. Finish. Simple as that. Okay, and the next part, to get the next part is to find out AC. Now to find AC, you'll have to take triangle ABC and CEF. Now this we have, that is again alternate, because AB and CEF are parallel, so you'll get corresponding angles over there. Okay, what have I done? I've written alternate angles. Wait 1 second. Okay, pay attention to this. Look at the 12 part B. Okay, to find out AC, you getting me? To find out AC, you will have to take triangle ABC and triangle EFC. ABC and EFC. Follow the diagram. ABC and EFC. Now they angle this equals angle this corresponding. I had made a mistake over the alternate. Okay. Then angle this equals angle this corresponding. Write the triangles in order, put the values and get the thing. Simple. Okay, right, everybody? Okay, now B is almost the same. Okay, 12B. Look at 12B. Follow the diagram, please. It says all the values given over there. You have three parallel sides. You can see that C, A, F, B, E, C, D. Okay, everything is given in the diagram. Find X and Y. Okay, find X and Y. Now to find out Y, see, to find out Y, you'll have to take triangle AFE and ECD. Okay, to find out Y, you'll have to take triangle AEF, because see, when you take these two triangles, you have three values given over there, so you can find out the third. Find out the fourth. Okay, AEF and DEC, alternate. Okay, the angles I have mentioned over there, and one is vertically opposite, need not be mentioned. Okay, put the triangles in order. See, I put the triangles in order over here. Okay, put the values and get it. Simple. Okay, and once you get y, okay, they said you have to find out x. Okay, so to find out x, okay, you'll use triangle ADC, okay, triangle ADC and EBC, because you know why? Therefore, you know AD, you know the whole of AD. Follow me. Okay, you know AE, you know AD. Okay, you know DC. Therefore, you'll be able to get X. Okay, you have to choose the correct triangle. Choose the correct triangle, because once you know Y, that means you know AE, you know AE, you know AD, Y plus 3, you know DC. Okay, therefore you will be able to find out EB. EB is X. Okay, taking triangle AEB, AEB and ADC. AEB, taking triangle AEB, okay, taking triangle AEB, AEB and ADC, okay, corresponding, okay, because they are parallel, therefore the triangles are similar. Write the ratio and you will get it. Is that okay? So much so for 13.1. I've practically done all the sums. Okay, this is for the benefit of all. Okay, I'll be doing it in class again. As I said, I am doing it in class again, but just to be on the safe side, right? Thank you, everybody. I'll get back to 13.2.